So let's start. Super easy pattern. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So I have 20. 1 2 3 4. So I have 24. You can make 44 with this number. You can't make any size. So I'm gonna make single crochet in next stitch. So you should have 23 single crochet. If you make 24 chains, then 44 chains, then you should have 43 single crochet. So I should have 23 single crochet. I'm gonna continue with single crochet row. So I'll show you at the end. So I have last stitch. So I have 23 single crochet. Chain 1. Again I'm gonna make, always you have to make 2 single crochet row, 3 single crochet row with this pattern. So I'm gonna continue like this. So I'm gonna complete this one and one more single crochet, then I will show you in 4th row. So my second row is the end. Single crochet, again make chain 1. I'm gonna again start single crochet row. So I'm gonna complete this one. This is 3rd row. Always you have to make 3 rows with single crochet. So maybe in starting I accidentally said 2 rows at single crochet, not is 3 rows. Always you have to make single crochet. So I'm gonna complete, I show you at the end. So my single row, 3rd row is complete. I have 3 rows now with single crochet. So again chain 1, chain 1. So now I'm gonna start pattern 2 3. So now I have 3. I'm gonna make in second row these holes. So first is below this same 3rd single crochet here like this, then middle one I'm gonna make here in 3rd row here for long, again in 2nd row holes. So I have 4 loops, make like this. So this bit loose, I don't want loose. Middle, then here, make, then same where I made this same stitch, top this I'm gonna use single crochet 1 2 3, then again I'm gonna make below this 3rd one here take cluster one from here, middle one in third, then here same. So use same place, not same as like where I made this cluster down, top of this single 1 2 then 3, again here down there, then middle one in third, then this one, sorry, 1 2 then 3, again it here, middle one in third, single crochet 1 2 then 3, again 1 2 3, 1 2 then 3, so you can see it's beautiful. So I'm gonna make single crochet row, okay, each stitch 1 2 3 4. So viewers, I'm gonna continue 3 single crochet row again after 3 row, then I will show you what I will do, okay. So viewers, I have 3 rows single crochet, 1 2 3. So in 4th row again I'm gonna start button, so 1 single crochet, so I'm gonna make down there here, so let me here, can you see, middle one in third hole, 1 2 3, always in third hole, then again in second hole, 1 2, then complete. Sorry viewer, I forgot to make single crochet, sorry, I have to make single crochet here, again here, 1 2 3, again in below the third one in second hole, now middle one in third hole, 1 2 3, third, again in second hole, then always I'm making this first single crochet top of these, okay, same top of these, single crochet, 2, then 3. Again below the second hole, 1 to third hole, then the second hole, 1, 2, third, 3, first row, the second hole, middle one, third hole, then second hole, single 1, 2, 3. Again in second hole, then third hole, and second hole, 1, 2, 3. Again in second hole, mid third, here 1 single crochet at the end. Okay, you can see it's beautiful pattern. So one last one time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one time you have like 6, 1 time 5, 1 less. It's so beautiful pattern. Again I'm gonna make 3 rows with single crochet, okay, each stitch. Then I will show you after 3 rows with single crochet. Then I'm gonna make same process. Then I will have this pattern 5. So here's again I have 3 rows with single crochet, chain 1. So you can see 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, then 3 again. So I'm gonna make in second hole, then in third hole, then in here second hole. Single crochet. Again second hole, third hole, then in second hole. One, 2, 3. Again in second hole, then third, so I'm gonna continue like this. So I should have 5 this time, 5 pattern, this one. Again I have 3 single crochet left, 1, 2, 3. So viewers, I'm gonna continue like this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna make again 3 single crochet row, then I will show you at the end this pattern. Okay viewers, my pattern is end. Now this model, you can see, is beautiful because this wool is so soft. Maybe you can't see this pattern clearly, but it's so beautiful pattern. When you make it, I hope you're gonna love this pattern. Whatever you want to make with this pattern, you can make so many things with this pattern. If you want to make baby blanket, it's very pretty. It's gonna be very pretty color. You can make white color or whatever. I will show you in 2 colors this next time, so then you can see easy this pattern. So I hope it's so pretty. This is back side, so this is a front side. I starting made 5 this flower. So when your project end, you should have the same. I start this pattern with 3 single crochet, then made pattern. So you should finish the same pattern. So I made 2 single crochet at the finish row. So I hope you will love this pattern. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.